Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to crochet a simple round table mat or crochet doily. For this purpose, I'm using 4 strands of cotton yarn and a 6mm crochet hook. To begin, wrap the yarn around your fingers like this and make a loose slip knot. Now make chain 3. Chain 3 is counted as our first double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the ring, pull the yarn, pull through first 2 loops and then pull through second 2 loops. Again wrap the yarn, go into the magic ring, pull the yarn and pull through 2 loops and then pull through 2 loops to make a double crochet stitch. So this is our third double crochet stitch. Repeat the same pattern and make double crochet 4. Now make 15 double crochet stitches including chain 3. After completing double crochet stitches, pull the starting yarn to form a ring, and now to finish your first row, go into the top of chain 3 and make a slip stitch. Now for the second row, again make chain 3, which is counted as our first double crochet stitch, and go into the same stitch again and make a second double crochet stitch. So we are making 2 double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the second double crochet stitch after chain 3 and make double crochet 1 and go into the same stitch again and make double crochet 2. So we are going to make 2 double crochet stitch into every stitch. Now go into the third stitch and make double crochet 1 and double crochet 2. Now complete total 30 double crochet stitches. So after completing your second row, make a slip stitch to the top of chain 3. Now make chain 3 to begin your third row, which is our first double crochet stitch. Now go into the same stitch and make second double crochet stitch. So this is our double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the second stitch and make 1 double crochet stitch here. Now into third one, again make 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now into the next one, simply make 1 double crochet stitch. Now repeat the same pattern of 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet till the end of the row and make total of 45 double crochet stitches in this third row. So after completing third row with 45 double crochet stitches, according to the multiple of 15. Make chain 3 and again make a double crochet stitch into the same stitch. Now go into the second stitch and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Now into the third one, make 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. Now go into the next and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next and make 1 double crochet and into the next 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So we are simply working 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet stitch increase, 2 double crochet and 1 double crochet stitch increase. So repeat the same pattern till the end of the row with 60 double crochet stitches. Now for the next row, again make chain 3, go into the same stitch and make a double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the next second double crochet stitch and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet stitches, now go into the next stitch and make 2 double crochet stitch increase. Now go into the next stitch and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next and make 1 double crochet. Go into the next and make 1 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet stitches, go into the fourth one and make 2 double crochet stitch increase, double crochet 1 and double crochet 2 into the same stitch. So this is the pattern. For our fifth row and complete 75 double crochet stitches. After completing this row, you can simply work according to the multiple. In the next row, you can make 4 double crochet and 1 double crochet stitch increase. In the next, you can make 5 double crochet and 1 double crochet stitch increase, and you can make as more rows as you want for your pattern according to your desired size. So complete your rows. So friends, I have made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows in total. Now I will show you how to make border. So make chain 3. After making chain 3, make 2 more chains. So total of chain 5. Now wrap the yarn, go into the third chain from the hook and make a double crochet stitch, now go into the second chain and make double crochet 2, go into the third chain and make double crochet 3, now skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch here. After making a double crochet stitch, make chain 2 and make double crochet stitch to this double crochet stitch as we have done in chain 3. Make 3 double crochet stitches to this first double crochet stitches to form a shell stitch like this. Now again skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch here. Now make chain 2 and after making chain 2 make 3 double crochet stitches to this double crochet stitch, double crochet 1, double crochet 2 and double crochet 3. Now skip 2 double crochet stitches, go into the third and make a double crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy pattern. Repeat this pattern till the end of the row. So after completing this pattern, go into this third chain and make a slip stitch. Now go into the next chain and make a slip stitch. Now go into the space between double crochet and chain 2, go into this space and make a slip stitch. From here we are going to start our next row. So make chain 3 and make 2 more chains as we have done in our first row. Now go into the third chain from the hook and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the second chain and make a double crochet stitch. Go into the third chain and make a double crochet stitch. Now wrap the yarn, go into the second shell, space between chain 2 and first double crochet stitch and make a double crochet stitch. Make chain 2 and now make 3 double crochet stitches into this double crochet stitch. So this is very simple and easy border pattern. Now go into the third shell stitch and make a double crochet stitch into the space between 2 double crochet stitch and a double crochet stitch, and then repeat the same pattern of chain 2 and 3 double crochet stitches into this double crochet stitch for our shell stitch. Now go into the next space and make a double crochet stitch. I hope you can understand the pattern easily. So now repeat the same pattern till the end of the row. So here is the final look. I hope you guys like this. So if you like this, please give it a try. Its total size is 17 inches, but you can make it in bigger or small sizes. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.